folks, we're back with another gear review video. Figure what's a better spot to do it than while out at camp. I've had some people ask us in the past about these boxes we carry. So, there's a lot of options out there, the Pelican cases, stuff like that. It's expensive for all that stuff, and it's just a case. Durable and all, sure, maybe it lasts a lifetime, but I myself just can't bring myself to pay a couple $100s for a storage case. So if you're a car camper, truck camper, overlander, you can go on down to Home Depot. There's several different brands. They have them at Lowe's and the other places too, but we got these rigid boxes. And they're real heavy duty. They got a nice quality handle on them. Good tight latches. You can see that. So they flip open. And let's show you. They have a nice rubber seal. Now, I'm not sure if they are waterproof. I haven't tested that, but I suspect they may be. But chances are you're not going to submerge your case in water. So we keep there's these different sizes. We keep like the toilet bags in there, keep some tools, propane hookups, ratchet set. I've had some kindling in here, a sawdust brick for the hot tent stove. So this is one of the bigger boxes. Now we got a really good latch system. Locks up. And there's over here we have, so that's your main big case. Over here we've got a small case. And now this one will fit right on top of the big ones. And they're interlocking so you can stack them. So you see this lock right here. Undo that latch. Undo that. And it comes off. This bottom one, well, we'll get to the bottom one in a minute. This little one comes with these inserts and these middles, and there's one on each side, so you get 3 more over here. I took that out. You can customize it how you want. We keep our little fire starters in here, knives, gloves, our Gomboy saw, axe, torch, just about anything you can think of. So they're great little cases. The big one I believe is maybe $30. I have to check the website. Honestly, for under $100 you can get all 3 of these, and there's another one I'm going to show you. Let's show you this other one down here. So there's what the little one looks like. It's got a great handle, solid, sturdy. This stuff's going to last a long time. Now this bottom one has no lid. It's just kind of a basket style. So we keep our tarp in here and our little propanes. That way the tarp, if it's and it's raining and it's nasty, you fold it up, just put it in here. This one will drain out water if it gets wet. You can stack the 2 big ones on top of each other. You can stack the little one on top of each other, on top of the big one, however you want to do it. And you just got to do the latches. Can't do this. Hard to do this with the camera in my hand. Just pop it. Then now you can carry 2 cases at once. Then I'm going to show you our other one. Let's go over here. Now this one we use on the back of the teardrop as like a little kitchen box. So that's this one here. It's another small one, but it's got a see-through top and another good handle. It also stacks. It's got the latches so you can stack it. So in this one, we'll keep like, she's got sugar, powdered sugar for when she's making fried Oreos, salt or something. We keep some trash bags. This one you can have all these little containers. You can have as many of them in there as you want, or take some out. So we got like some medical tape, some bit of first aid stuff. A little bit of some trash bags. We've got some backpacking food in here, hot chocolate, instant coffee, packs of ketchup sometimes, sugar if you forget something, wet wipes. So what we love about them is they're pretty customizable, these little guys. And as a kitchen box, it's great because you can see what's in here. So what we'll do is, let's go take you back here. They're not too heavy. You can one hand them. So this one we keep back up here on the counter of the teardrop. So that one stays right there. But if you want to use it for tools or something else, whatever you can think of, these things are great. They're very durable. And they're quite a bargain. So this guy can go on here. So there you go. You got 3 stacks. If I wanted to, this one could go on top of that one. Or you could put a little one on top of this big one. However you want to do it. But they're a great item. Very durable. And a pretty budget. You're not going to spend, some of those Pelican cases for one of these one big size guys is probably $200. I don't think I've spent more than $100 on all 4 of these cases. And you can go pick up another small one if you needed it. They have an actual, you can lock them too. There's a spot for a little lock. So we love them. We've had them for a couple years now. I've been meaning to do a gear review for them, but I just always forget. But what better way to do it than we're out at camp? So and they're durable. We usually just throw them up in the teardrop, we just throw them up in the bed and go. They've been in rain and snow, and nothing's ever gotten wet inside of them. So that rubber seal does work pretty good. I don't think I'd submerge them, but why would you do that anyway? And the one that we keep our tarp in, if that does get wet, it drains out real nice. Just tip it over. So really handy cases. We end up putting one of these under the teardrop when we want to get in and out of it for tools and stuff, or we'll carry one in the hot tent. Super handy, super good product. There's the Milwaukee brand, there's a few others, but I believe the Ridges are probably the cheapest you can get. I'm gonna say these little guys were like $20 each, and the big ones are $30. Don't quote me for sure, but I'll put a link to them in the description of this video. But it's a great solution for tools, storage, anything you can think of. You can put whatever you want in them. Very customizable. These little guys with the little cups in them. Use as many cups as you want. Take some out. It's got the little divider. Perfect solution for camping, truck camping, car camping, overlanding. Anything you need to store stuff in. And you can save a couple bucks and buy some other gear that you want. So anyways, appreciate you joining us. If you liked the video, please hit the like, share it, follow us, and subscribe. We really need more subscribers. We will show you all the gear we like and what we don't like, and we're going to tell you the truth. It's stuff we use. It's stuff we've had. I'm going to tell you if it doesn't work good. All right, guys. See you next week.